Fire on the braking and a potential tire blowout. So we're going to go ahead and declare an emergency.
Potomac Skyline 205, I'm going to need a right turn soon.
That's what it's
205, maintain 2000, approach clearance canceled. Continue on the inbound.
14205, I will have a new route for you. The route they put you on is not good at all for going out to East Hampton there.
Alright everyone, so I didn't record an intro for this video when we were doing it, but even if I had, it probably would not have been adequate. First of all, there was a whole bunch of thunderstorms which made our flight from Leesburg to East Hampton quite a bit longer and very circuitous since we had to go around a whole bunch of thunderstorms. Take a look at the map right here. Because of this, we actually ended up getting up there after sunset, which was pretty fun. Aside from all those things, there's a couple Easter eggs on the flight, an emergency landing from one of the airliners, and somebody who forgot to close their flight plan holding us up into East Hampton. Also, if you're here for the beekeeping videos, I've actually moved those to a new channel. You can find those right up here. I found that the beekeeping people like beekeeping videos to be their own thing, and the flying people like the flying videos to be their thing. So, separated those two out. With that, back to the airplane.
Leesburg Tower 205 is ready to go at 17.
205, just hold your position. You'll follow the aircraft coming down the taxiway. He's going the same direction as you. We'll get him out ahead.
Oh, you mean I can't beat a jet?
You didn't like my joke. The Gulfstream?
Oh, it's that Eclipse. Very, very small jet.
Okay, he's coordinated with.
3 Mike Juliet, contact Potomac departure. See ya.
Order Potomac for 3 Mike Juliet.
14205, runway 17, caution for the wake turbulence, wind 1005, you're clear for takeoff.
14205, clear for takeoff, runway 17.
He's ready? Oh, I'm ready. Here we go. I can go. Whoa.
205, being contact Potomac departure. Good day.
Over to departure 205. Potomac departure, Skyline 14205, 900 for 3000.
4205, ident, maintain 3000.
205 identing and up to 3000.
Skylane 142. Hold on. For the next 5 minutes, just let me deal with
Number 205, leaving 2000, fly heading of 290.
Leaving 2000, heading at 290 205.
Number 205, contact uptown approach 125.05.
12505 for 205.
914 Heavy, report to runway in sight.
Runway in sight, United 914.
And 914 Heavy, clear visual approach to runway 1 hour center, contact Dulles Tower 134.42.
3442, 126.65.
Okay, left 210 and 126.65 for 3 Mike Juliet.
Potomac Skyline 14205, 1900 for 2000 on 290 heading.
Skyline 14205, Potomac departure, roger, and what was your assigned altitude?
205, we were assigned 3000.
205, roger. For 14205, climb and maintain 5 now.
205 up to 5000.
And just to confirm, you've got Twin Comanche 7573 Yankee with you level at 4,000.
Tower good. 7573 Yankee, negative, you should be on 128.52.
They just sent me to you.
6, clear to land.
What was that?
made it.
No,
Get your with you, 7133 Yankee at 5,000.
move your mic a little bit further away. Yours is like way loud.
Gotcha.
Control 6263, are you able to take lower, sir?
Yes, sir. We're just about to call. Yeah, we'll go ahead and take lower. And at this time, we try to work with this. So we try to get the message resolved, but it looks like it's not resolving. So what we got is the parking brake right now is engaged, and it's not disengaging. So if we do land, it's pretty hard braking potential for there to be fire on the braking and a potential tire blowout. So we're going to go ahead and declare an emergency.
Control 6263, roger, turn left heading 080, descend to maintain 6,000.
Left turn 080 down to 6,000, shuttle 6263.
What kind of plane is that?
It's a small, like a regional jet.
Approach 6 Tango Alpha is with you level at 8,500.
Potomac Skyline 205, I'm going to need a right turn soon.
November 205, turn right heading 070.
070 205.
Just see 685, turn left heading 140.
Left turn 140, jet speed 685.
I just didn't want to run into that.
Yeah.
Potomac Skyline 205, any chance I can get 10 degrees to the right?
Skyline 205, turn 10 degrees right when able, direct to left transfer and resume navigation.
10 degrees right approved, and when able, I'll resume navigation.
This is going to be annoying, boys.
November 14205, contact Potomac approach 125.5 to 2552.
2552 for 205.
Control aircraft Dulles information from Bravo is current, altimeter 3010, wind to Dulles 160 at 5.
Potomac Skyline 205 with you 5,000.
I think I stepped on you. Who's called?
Skyline 14205.
14205, Potomac approach. Boston altimeter 3012.
3012, and it looks like we're going to need to go a little bit further south than our current route.
14205, I will have a new route for you. The route they put you on is not good at all for going out to East Hampton there. And that should get you around the weather as well, getting you on the proper route.
205, great. Just let me know when you need me to copy.
So 2567, contact Potomac approach 119.7. November 14205, the best reading on the weather looks like it's going to be Victor 268, which will take you out over the water at 7,000. Are you okay with that, or do you need routing over land?
14205, I can do over water as long as it's not too far off.
14205, roger. You can expect routing over Victor 268 here in a few minutes, and I don't think that goes too far out of the weather. I think it's just off Long Island there.
14205, roger, at 7,000, that should be fine.
Right, everybody, I'm turning you off. We're going to go reroute around here a little bit. We'll see you in a little while. Yeah. All right, we're back on. We're JFK Airport at 5,000 feet, cruising at 136 knots through.
Have a nice day.
2475, 2772.
Average. Well, we got both of them.
Blue 263, turn left heading 060.
Left turn 060.
We had quite a bit of thunderstorms to roll in and out of, but I think we well, I know that we made past all of them. We just had to go around a bunch.
2580, I got a strip
It took us about an extra half an hour.
It says Wavy. You're going over Wavy, right?
I spilled my beer.
Wavy American 2580.
And Richie spilled his beer.
2580, contact New York Center 1283. Have a nice day.
2580, good day.
Archer, you doing W22?
And if anybody asks or cares, yes, it is legal for Richie to have beers. He's not manipulating the controls. He's not a pilot. I am not drinking, on the other hand.
Well, you know, I'm a pilot, but just in different ways. I pilot myself through life.
He's not a pilot.
263, climb
And Guillaume is taking photos.
Claim 1717,000.
Okay, back in the holster you go.
More of a philosopher pilot, you know.
I'm going to cut that out.
What?
I'm going to cut that portion out.
14205, right heading 110.
Right heading 110 for 205.
I can take the rain on the roof of this empty house.
There's so many baseball fields up here.
205, by the way, we couldn't see anything for that fire.
Okay, thanks, sir. We're 14205, descend and maintain 3000.
205 down to 3000.
Aeroflot 103, heavy X-ray, climb through 7000.
X-ray climb 7000, Aeroflot 103.
Friend 019, heavy, New York.
Down we go, boys. Down we go.
Oh, yeah. Oh, we're coming down already?
Oh, no, we still have, like, almost half an hour.
Oh, yeah, 100 miles to go, right?
New York departure, good evening, Air France 019 AV, climbing 4,000 feet, heading 155.
Friend 019, heavy, New York departure, radar
You hear his
contact, turn
accent?
left, heading 090, climb and maintain
So
1000.
French.
Confirm, turn left, heading 090,
Oh my God.
019 AV.
Yeah, I'll take left, yeah,
And maintain 11,000, Air France 019 AV.
Hold up, turn down the music, I want to hear this guy.
That's really funny. The airport directly, well, not directly ahead of us, just off to our right.
Yeah. Don't you use autopilot at this point, though? It just guides you in, right?
That's what it's going to do.
205, maintain 2000, approach clearance canceled. Continue on the inbound. We had traffic land. Yeah, I haven't got the cancellation in the IFR yet.
205, approach clearance canceled, but we'll continue on the inbound at 2000.
Unfortunately, Tower didn't call him down and he didn't cancel.
205, that's annoying.
Yep, and the towers, I believe they're gone for the night also.
205, would you like me to go to Sound Air and see if we can get a hold of him?
Yeah, if you could, I'll give you a call sign.
Yeah, what's the call sign? Right.
It's a Sierra 63 Hotel Lima.
63 Hotel Lima, I'll try to call him right now.
Okay, thank you, sir.
East Hampton traffic and tower, is 63 Hotel Lima still on frequency? Sound Air, is 63 Hotel Lima on the ground with you guys?
Affirm.
Can you have him cancel his IFR or I can't get in?
Say that again?
Could you have him call in to cancel his IFR? Because I can't get in unless he does. New York Skyline 205, I'm back with you. He is on the ground and I had him call in to cancel.
Thank you, sir. We just got the call. You really want to make it 360?
205, I can make it down visual from here.
5, you clear the visual approach for runway 10, advise cancellation in the air. This frequency or on the ground on 118.9 or 5, change your advisory frequency.
205, I'll cancel with you right now.
205, thank you. Thanks again for your help. Copy the cancellation in the IFR. You have a nice night.
205, you too. See it right in front of us?
Oh, that was you were pointing at.
Okay,
Yeah,
hold
that's
on.
what I was pointing at.
East Hampton traffic, Skylane 14205 on a 3-mile final, runway 10, East Hampton. East Hampton traffic, Skylane 205, short final, runway 10,
Minimums. Minimums.
If it had been bad weather, that's where we would have had to pull off.
Smooth as eggs, baby.
That was actually like for a nighttime
Oh,
landing.
fucking smooth. That was smoother than the first time we landed.
Push to your right, 2-3 feet.
Alright, boys.
Well done, Dan.
Hell yeah.
Woo. What's up, dude? How you doing? Good. We're staying 2 nights. So, can you see my face? All right. Yum. How was the flight?
It's great. It's amazing.
We made it to East Hampton. This guy interferes didn't cancel his IFR, so thank you. But great flight. Took an extra 45 minutes. We're going this way, guys. Thanks for coming along. See you later.